gonna show how
We're gonna show you how to make this chair, guys.
now we have to build something.
So you're gonna want to start with cutting the legs. We have started and we have cut them to 30 inches. We're building 4 chairs, but you'll only need 2.
Show you how to build it.
So once we've cut them to 30 degrees, you want to measure down 2 inches and then cut on a 60.
Is the leg.
Pick it up.
Don't.
Careful. 30 inches, you've got your 60.
And we cut it this a little shorter. What can we?
You've got your leg cut at 30 inches.
Like those legs.
Yeah. We will have your leg right down here.
Like that. Like
This.
that.
And then your bum seat will be all in here.
Can I do it?
We're going to do it in a couple minutes.
Now I'm gonna do it. You have to screw them in. The screw. Ready?
Almost.
To my smell. Ready? Wahoo, wahoo. Is it ready, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, cut this. You're going to trace where your seat slat is going to be.
Yeah.
Cut off this little tip so that it's flush. It's great to have a kid with you.
This?
Yeah, they can be your runner.
Lamp.
Right on the side there, so that way it stays, and we can lay it down
And screw it
and
on.
screw it on. High five. You can see it.
The first leg. The first leg. It looks like a slide. Down it goes, but it's a leg. But it looks like a zipper also.
To make sure before you screw them on that you're doing them 2 opposites, so that this is either on the outside or the inside, whatever your preference is. Oops. Good job. I like putting it on the outside because then on the inside is where you have your screws and you won't need to fill as much and you won't look as messy. So we're going to hold them together.
So you get a screw. Ready, Mom? Here's the zipper.
So
You lay it down. Make sure the other end doesn't go off because it will fall down.
good job. Oh my goodness.
I will do it all by myself.
Okay.
Okay, let go.
Okay.
I don't want to.
All right. Hold with 2 hands and then I'll let go. Okay. Good job.
Mommy, that's my job. Got another leg. 2 legs. We should tack those 2 together, Mommy. I should take it.
So now we're gonna make it extra wide so who can sit together.
Yeah. Me and my nanny can sit together.
Just gonna make it so that 2 people can sit on it. Well, 1.5. So this is when you choose how wide you want your chairs.
Yeah.
So let's measure your bum. You are 8 inches wide. And all right, so the average Adirondack chair is about 20. We're gonna make ours.
Big. Not that.
We're gonna make them 26 inches wide. How about
Our lady's gonna love this one with what we're doing.
So we have 6 slats cut at. We went with 28.
I got a screw.
So put the front piece on to hide.
Yeah, the seat's ready.
So now we have your seat all set up. Your back's gonna go up like this.
Go in the middle and make this in way.
Oh yeah. That's the life. All right, so we have got our chair base built. This is combined with about 4 or 5 plans. So I will create my own and post them. You decide however you want to make them, like a little bit more dramatic. You can make them straight. You could make your seat more dramatic, or it could be like straight. So the best part of DIY is you get to choose what you want. So I'm going to try something here. I'm literally DIYing this as I go along. So I don't want a flat back. I don't know if you can see that I'm between both armrests right now. So between my armrests, it's 32 1/4. I'm going to try and make it curved. Put it at 32 1/4 and see if we can curve it. So we have jigsawed our piece out. So our slats are going to lay in like this. And it's going to give our back just a little bit of curve. Have that attached. We're going to make the back slats. This is where you can decide if you want a dramatic top, if you want something rounded, if you'd like something with like a little bit of a swirl. How long should your back be? I don't know. That long looks good. 40. Alright. Now I'm liking this. The only thing that I don't like, I need to have one more slat. She helped me with that.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
But what did she do?
She helped drill all the pieces.